one of the diagrams you need to know how to do is a pie chart. Okay, so let's see. Complete the pie chart below to summarize the data above, showing the proportion of day games in which Maeve's team scored 0 goals, 1 goals, and so on. Label each sector and the size of the angle clearly. Show any working out and construction lines. So in order for me to do the pie chart, I need to know what kind of angle do I need to draw? Because basically here we draw a line and then we mark the angle and saying, okay, out of everything that happened, this is the slice that got, I don't know, 3 goals. That's the main idea here with the pie chart. So in order for us to do that, first we need to deal with the numbers and calculation. So we are saying number of goals. And then we are saying, well, how many matches, number of matches that got these goals. And then we're going to calculate slice of the pie. So number of goals. So let's start with the lowest 0. So 1, 2. So I have 2 games, 2 matches that they got 0. Then 1 goal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. Then we have 2. 1, 2. So 2 matches. Then we have 3. There was 2 of them. So 2 of them. And then we have 1. They did really well. They got 7. Okay, so how do we calculate that slice of the pie? So here we have to think about it that out of the whole pie represent what? Number of matches, isn't it? So out of 11 games, 11 matches that happen, the slice I'm looking for is 2. So 2. How do I find what angle that is? We multiply that by 360 degrees. Why? Because all of that is 360 degrees. So I want to find a fraction of a number, therefore we multiply. The same we're going to do for the next one. So here, out of 11 games, 4 is the one I want, and I need to know what slice is that of 360 again. Again here, so 2 out of 11, and again multiply by 360. Here is exactly the same, so we're going to have actually 3 of them that are the same, 360, and one of them here, that is 1 out of 11 multiply by 360. So we put that in the calculator and we are getting 65. So we know that those 3 of them are going to be 65. Then we put that in the calculator and we get 131. And the last one, really small one, because it's only 1 out of 11. Therefore, that will be 33. Now, how do we do the pie chart? First of all, we need to have a starting point. Anywhere you want, doesn't matter. I just marked it there. And then we need a compass to mark now, let's maybe make that slightly smaller to mark how big is going to be an angle. So let's take that and we are starting. Oops, that's how we move that. Okay, so we have to first take it and align. The most important part is this middle. Oh, mine cannot be aligned perfectly, but you can align yours perfectly. So the most important part, that this very middle here, you have to mark it, has to be in the middle of the circle. So the first one we are marking is 65. Now, does it matter which one is the first, second, and third? Not really. So, but let's go as we have them here. So from 0, so now you have to be careful as well about the measurement. The first scale goes from 0, you can see it is increasing to 180. And that second one, actually this is 180 and starts here. So make sure you are looking at the right scale. So we're going from 0 to our angle is what? 65. So 65, how can I mark that? 65, and that's where it's going to be. Now, obviously, it's a little bit more difficult with mine equipment that is with yours. Oh, do you want to move my... Okay. Now, that's going to be a bit of a challenge. Okay, let's move that. And now take the straight edge and draw the line. So that is your first part of the pie. And here we are saying 0 goals. We have to say, what's that for? Oh, that's not the way to spell goals. Goals. Oh, what is wrong with my hand? My hand do not connect with my brain. And what is the angle? Here we are marking 65 degrees. Okay, now the next one. So now again, our starting point, 131. So again, middle to middle, this line align with our 0 point. And this is my new 0 point. And now I'm marking 131. So I'm going all the way, 130. And then let's see, 131. So that's going to be here. So again, we take, oh, that's not again what I wanted to do. So then we take a straight edge and we join. Now you can see mine are not really well done, but like I'm saying, on piece of paper with a pen and equipment, you can do much better job than I. So first, one goal. And that angle is 131 degrees. And then the next one, 65. So again, we take that. Have to turn it because again, I have to make sure middle is with the middle. 0 is with 0. Oops. And again, now this time we are marking 65. So again, we go in 65. So it will be here. And again, we taking it, we taking the straight edge and we join our line. And this one now, again, this one was what? 2 goals, isn't it? And the angle is 65. And then we go with another one. And again, we repeat the process. We have to make sure that middle is in the middle. Why don't you move? Middle is in the middle and my 0 is aligned with 0. So again, the next one is again 65. So we go 60 and 5 is here. And then again, straight line to join that from the middle. And this time we are writing, what is that? 3 goals. And the angle is 65. Now, to make sure that we've done the right job, we can measure our third angle. The third angle should read 33. And that was what? 7 goals. And the angle here is 33. So that's how we do pie chart. We have to know how to do that. Apart from pie chart, what other chart we need to do? Histogram, isn't it?